on quick tips, I wanted to show you something that I use. I love my jewelry, and I actually get most of it at my thrift store, usually under $1.99. And I've been going through a bracelet phase. We kind of go through phase, you know, as a woman that we do that. And so I needed a place to store them. I live in a very small house where space is limited, and I found this beautiful old antique towel rack, and I thought it was just wonderful, and it fits in with my cabin theme of my bathroom or my house, and it was the perfect size to hold our bracelets. So you can simply find one at the thrift store. If you can't find one at the thrift store, you can buy an inexpensive one at your local store, and simply one that's wide enough that it will hold your bracelets. You can get them on there, and then they hang, and then you have all of this room. So that is our quick tip of the day. Thank you. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can bring you more. God bless.